Think? Okay. And you said try me whenever you would like.
For 3 years,
hey,
yeah.
Sweetheart.
Everybody's sweet.
Hey Rob, man, she called you a pussy.
Do you remember being drunk at Cherry's party?
Damn. Whenever you're ready to try, let me know.
Oh man.
Fight every day on Sunday.
Oh man.
I fought for the first time last week, but I'm gonna start fighting every week.
Oh man.
Fighting who?
Yo, Robbie, I don't think we're ready this week.
Who'd you fight, Rob?
I seen Rebecca and Marshall the other day.
After what we did, Doug, I don't think we're ready this week.
You better, what the fuck? I've been doing the same shit. What the fuck are you doing? You better be out there.
But I'm a newcomer on some of this.
So am I.
You know what I'm saying? No,
so am I.
Are you on the page?
I'm talking about your birthday.
What are you talking about, yo?
Yo, you win? I got you. Dom, you win?
Peace out, Cub Scout.
I'm fucking, I'm trying to get the fight on tape, yo.
Who's the fight?
Hey, Rob.
I'm not taking a picture, yo.
You fought all of them? Yeah.
You can't fight, Robbie. You're a pussy.
Ooh. You heard that?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Finish this bid.
Hey Rob.
Finish this bid.
Hey Rob.
Whoop your ass, I got a pot though.
Hey Robbie. I heard you a pussy.
I know.
You know, it's a friendly fight, and like, but even though I had him in the choke,
You starting shit, yo.
You can't do shit either, man. Why you over there trying to
I'll be back.
Ooh.
I'm sorry,
Dom. Let him go and start over again.
I'm sorry, Dom.
And he got me in the chokehold.
Sit down, dog. She ain't nobody, man.
Ooh.
Not nobody.
You meant nobody.
Don't do nothing, Doug.
Nobody.
Why are you trying to fucking
with Listerine or whatever?
Oh.
instigate?
What's that word called?
Natural born instigator.
Trying to instigate shit. Fucking bystander. Sit down somewhere.
Hey Rob, you scared?
Hey, you bitch. I didn't even fucking know you were here. How'd you get here?
Where's my Denny's?
I told you your sister was here.
No, you fucking didn't.
Yes, I did. You just like, whatever.
You just fucking lied. No,
I did.
No, you did not.
I did. Yes, I did. Thanks. I told Bobo the car was here. Then I told you that she was here.
I don't want to smell like a pancake.
I love you, baby.
My what? It's old.
Oh shit, the fire. Motherfucker.
Yeah, I got the sweater to match the $6.99 at Charlotte. Where's purple, pink? Where's Burrito?